Hello, papas. Today we have one Hewlett Packard 2560p with i5 processor, and the customer sent it because it's turning on and nothing on screen. So let's check with our polymeter the charger in volts. So let's check it if it's good, and it's 19. It's good. So let's check the laptop now, what the customer said. I plug in the charger, okay, and I see lights here and here. Lights. Let's put it. In caps locks, lights 3 times. Let's put it on. I press the power. Lights again. No screen. Okay. Blinking 3 times. The most important thing with blind codes, you can search it on Google, but in my experience is something with RAM or faulty motherboard. Let's see the easy way. So no screws, the battery is off. Okay. Put it here. Let's see this. What? Oh, okay. Nice. Let's put other RAM. I have here. Here one Samsung RAM. So put it. It's turning over. And see. Plug in the charger. No. If I plug the charger, no lights. But here, okay, it's booted. It boots. Let's wait to boot in. I think it have a SSD. Okay, not booting SSD. Let's check it with our program. I have here a Windows 10 stick. So I plug the USB, plug the charger. I will press F9. F9 is select the bootable device in Hewlett Packard. So we wait, and let's see. We are here in the installation, but in my language is Greek language here. We see now that the hard drive have 0 megabytes. That is a faulty SSD. Yes. That's why I call the customer and tell him if he wants SSD now because it's a cheap machine or a hard drive disk. Okay. Let's turn it off. Okay, so the customer wants an hard drive, not a solid state. So we put it. Okay, let's make this easy. To hold it here. Hold it here. That's good. That's good. F9 for the boot. Now it's better. It's it boots faster. So now here it's recognized me to the hard drive and my USB flash drive for the with the Windows 10. So let's boot at the flash drive. It's a faulty SSD. It's an old computer. Okay, now we see it's recognize our hard drive, and let's put create. Okay, and format. Okay, and we are ready. Next. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you like. Bye.